Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for being here, thanks for watching. Dave from We Buy Drones back again. So this time we've got a Mini 3 Pro teardown for you. Unfortunately this poor drone ended up in a swimming pool, although for a few seconds. So we're going to tear it down completely, take out every single board and put it through an Isoprop bath. So what that does, it doesn't just clean the part, but it also eradicates any sort of moisture, which is step number one. Generally, if it's fresh water, we've had a pretty good success rate in actually getting the drone back up and flying again. If it's salt water, I'll be the bearer of bad news, but you can literally chuck your drone in the dustbin because the salt in the water just absolutely corrodes everything. So stick with us, check how intricate and tight these little Mini 3s are. This alone would be about a disassembly to reassembly, you're looking at about 3 hours. It is just incredibly tight. So sit back, relax, enjoy the teardown with us. As you can see, we literally have to completely disassemble everything. So every single part needs to come out for us to do a full assessment. We did find a little bit of corrosion on 1 or 2 boards, but the Isoprop bath will generally sort that out. That blue paste you're seeing over there, that is thermal paste. That is between the black heatsink on the right hand side and the actual core board. The core board being the main brain, the main component in any DJI drone. For the next couple of seconds, you're going to see loads of tweezer action. That is our head technician Ashraf Rogers removing what I'm told to be tons of B7000. It's a glue that DJI uses, and he had to remove all that B7000 to free up some of the wiring to actually get the core board out. And the core board's out, so what you'll see happening now is just removing the heat sinks on the core board actually themselves. You can see they're all kind of stuck on, some more thermal paste. That top heatsink there, you can see more thermal paste, so we'll give that all a good clean up, get rid of all that thermal paste and any other heat shields or shields that are not necessary before it goes into the Isoprop bath. So as you can see here, pretty stubborn heat shrink and the stuff is all over the place, but it needs to be removed before we can actually get it into that Isoprop bath and give that board a good clean. And there we go, some toothbrush action on that core board, just to ensure that all of that heat shrink is off. And then it is off to the Isoprop bath. And off she goes. Unfortunately, the result is not the one we wanted. After lots of cleaning, lots of bathing, we discovered that the actual power board, one of the MOSFETs had shorted, obviously when it hit the water, and still had the battery connected. So we had to deem this one a no-go. And yeah, sad, very sad, but these things happen. Keep your drones away from water, guys, or pillars and swimming pools. Nonetheless, thanks for being here, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe. Until the next one, catch you guys later.
Thank you.